I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing both devices. Make sure Gboard is installed and updated on your phone, and your PC is ready. Connect the phone to the PC via USB or ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi network for wireless pairing. Once done, enable developer options on Android, then toggle USB debugging. Next, open the companion app or tool you'll use to bridge input. This is the first actionable step that lets your PC accept keystrokes from Gboard. Now you install and run the bridge application on your PC. Choose SCRCPY for direct control or a client that exposes keyboard input. Grant the app accessibility and input permissions on your phone so it can forward keystrokes. Configure keyboard mapping to match PC layouts. Adjust language, emoji, and modifier key behavior. Make sure clipboard sync is enabled if you want copy-paste between devices. Once configured, test typing into a text field on the PC and adjust latency or key repeat settings. Finish by verifying full functionality. Type in a browser, a document editor, and a chat app to ensure Gboard inputs consistently. If you experience lag, switch to a USB connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and close bandwidth heavy apps. Make sure keyboard layouts and languages match the PC side. If things go wrong, reauthorize accessibility and input permissions, restart the bridge app, or reboot both devices. These steps resolve most connection and permission issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.